Okay, come with me today as we explore Atlantic City, Caesars Atlantic City, Centurion Tower, Deluxe Ocean View Room 2908. I used my diamond status to get free rooms, no fees, no resort fees, no charges at all. Here we are, Caesars, always clean, always fresh. But here we are, down here we go again, 2908. Again, I used my diamond status to always get free rooms. And let's check it out, what it looks like. It's gonna be like most of the rest. Oh, it smells very good in here today. They remodeled them a couple years ago, and they really did a good job. They put a nice stand here and picture, and your sconce lighting, and your big oversized closet with safe and dryer and iron and ironing board. And you come over a little bit, very nice. It's fresh in here, isn't it? And there's a full-length mirror. There is a place to put your items, hang your items, shelf. Always beautiful marble table. I don't show the drawers too much, but they are big, nice, deep drawers. Large screen TV. You got a leather backdrop behind it. Always beautiful. Always clean. You got the marble countertops. You have your pop-out plug-ins and USB cords and whatnot. And just nice pictures, recessed lighting, lamps everywhere, leather chairs. There's always a blue velvet chair, table. Before I look out, you can't see much today. It's awful foggy up here. But, boy, she got me again, John. It was supposed to be well, I guess it is an ocean view, but the ocean's right there and you can't see it. That's why. But that's the view today. We're on the 29th floor of the Centurion Tower. It's ocean view, but you can't see the ocean today. It's awful foggy. And you always have your own, every room has its own climate control. Got the double queen beds, got the Caesar wallpaper. You got your charging port, your phones, just very nice, clean, crisp. Here's your thermostat. And of course you got your big glass door for your bathroom. And you go in, and it's got a walk-in glass, everything. They went to your soap and shampoo on the wall now, and it's very nice, spacious. You got your two different shower heads. Nice lighting everywhere. Separate room always liked with the toilet. It's just something more private and everything. But that goes to show you this room. I appreciate you staying with me. Thank you. Have a good day.